Yo guys, 4-Stroke Boys here, and today we're going to be showing you our rides. Alright, so right here we have a Baja Doodlebug frame with a Pergola 212 non-Hemi, I believe. And this thing tops out at about 45 miles per hour. It takes a 35 chain, regular Amazon clutch. We have upgraded the forks to the Go Power Sports suspension forks. LED wireless Walmart headlamps. We have a headlight and a brake light, both from Walmart. And a pit bike handlebar that I believe we got from Amazon for maybe like 20 bucks, somewhere around there. Ooh. Right here we have a Baja Warrior 200 with a aftermarket Predator 212 on it, stage 1 kit, 34mm carb. I'm sorry, jet for the carb. Trumpet exhaust and air filter. 19 by 8/7 all-slot tire, aftermarket. We have painted everything except the actual frame. We have painted the fake gas tank, the 2 fenders, and well, that's about it. Okay guys, so right here, the Baja Warrior 200 caps out at about 55.8. I believe 55.8 miles per hour is the fastest speed we have recorded on this, straight throttle. No governor restrictions or nothing. On the Baja Doodlebug, we have gotten about 45 miles per hour. That is with the zip tie trick. Now remember, this does not have the stage 1 kit on it. And this thing absolutely beats the ever-loving crap out of this on acceleration. When me and the camera guy raced with these two, it took me about a solid 4 or 5 seconds just to catch up with them. But when I caught up with them, I was gone. Him, bam, as soon as the race starts, he's off the line, way ahead of me by a mile. But old fat man here can catch up. It just takes a really long time. So on short, straight races, he's got me beat any day. On long, curvy races that take a minute, it's this guy. He's also got way better brakes. He's got disc brakes. He also is lighter. I have regular rim brakes that aren't that great, but they get the job done. He just recently installed new brake pads on his too, so it stops pretty good. Okay guys, right here, this is a Gauntlet dual suspension mountain bike from Walmart. This thing tops out at like 20 miles per hour. This thing zooms. 6-speed transmission with 3 gear selection. This belongs to our extra dude, Rakasha. He's back there doing something. Anyway, yeah, this is his build. Easily the most fastest, whoops you any day ride right here.
guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more drag racing, upgrades such as a disc brake conversion and a stage 1 kit, and more flybys on both of these bikes. If you guys enjoyed, consider leaving a like and subscribing. Deuces.